Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can search about the application of Messenger. You will click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.